I've recently discovered a new combination of artificial intelligence indicators on TradingView that can significantly enhance your trading success in no time. These advanced tools employ machine learning techniques to analyze historical data, continually improving signal quality as time goes on. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through my personal strategy using these indicators to pinpoint highly profitable buy and sell signals across any market. The strategy's accuracy is remarkable with very few losing trades. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. It's important to note that this trading strategy is versatile enough to be applied to various markets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and major Forex pairs. The optimal time frames for this method are 5 and 15 minutes, though it can also be effectively utilized on longer time frames like 1 hour and 4 hour charts. For this tutorial, I'll be analyzing the Bitcoin price chart on a 15-minute time frame. The trading approach I'm about to introduce you to involves 2 free indicators. Once you've logged into your TradingView account, head over to the Indicators section and search for the first one, Hybrid EMA Algo Learner. This innovative AI-powered trading indicator incorporates a KNN-inspired algorithmic approach alongside traditional exponential moving averages for a more refined market analysis. The script assesses the closest K distances between short-term and long-term EMAs to create a weighted short-term EMA, blending rule-based logic with EMA technicals to offer a more sophisticated tool for market analysis. Specifically, the script generates a 50-period short-term EMA and a 200-period long-term EMA. These EMAs serve dual purposes. They provide the standard trend following capability familiar to most traders, akin to the classic EMA 50 and EMA 200, while also laying the groundwork for more intricate calculations. The hybrid EMA Algo Learner shares some principles with the relative strength index RSI, though the RSI is much faster. While the RSI is used to identify short-term overbought and oversold conditions, the hybrid EMA Algo Learner helps determine long-term market bias. This indicator operates on a scale from 0 to 100. Readings above 85 indicate a strongly overbought market, suggesting a price correction or reversal is imminent, while readings below 15 signal a strongly oversold market. Any value between 15 and 85 should be treated as a consolidation zone during which no trade should be made. The indicator's inputs allow for the customization of 2 key parameters, the number of neighbors and the look-back period. The look-back period influences how quickly the indicator responds to price changes. For example, setting this value to 200 will result in a faster moving line. I recommend sticking with the default settings for this trading strategy, though you can tweak these inputs to find the best configuration for each specific time frame and market. It's important to note that this indicator is not meant to be used in isolation. Its primary function is to identify extreme movements and periods of consolidation. To develop a complete strategy, we'll add another confirmation indicator to the chart, the Ultimate Buy and Sell Indicator by this amazing author. This is one of the most versatile indicators available on TradingView, capable of providing excellent buy and sell signals, spotting consolidation periods, and identifying times of high buying and selling pressure. While it offers a wide range of customization options geared toward advanced traders, you don't need to be an expert to use it effectively. This indicator generates its own candles, so you'll need to adjust your main settings to disable the body, border, and wick color settings. Using a dark background is also recommended. The Ultimate Buy and Sell Indicator primarily relies on the RSI indicator combined with Bollinger Bands to generate signals. It creates 2 types of signals, watch signals and buy-sell signals. Watch signals are various crossing events related to the Bollinger Bands, such as the price or RSI crossing the Bollinger Bands. There are distinct watch signals for buys and sells, with buy signals colored orange and sell signals bright purple. The second type of signal is the buy and sell signals themselves. Typically, a watch signal must occur before most buy or sell signals can be generated. There is a look-back period or length for watch signals, and if too many candles pass after the watch signal, it will be ignored. You can set a look-back length and a delay before creating any new signals. For instance, if a sell signal has been issued, you can instruct the indicator to wait 10 bars before generating any new buy signals. Additionally, you can specify that it should look back 10 bars from the current one to find any buy signals. This feature helps space out signals, preventing bad signals from following one another too closely. Traders, if you're enjoying our content, we'd really appreciate it if you could like this video and share it with your friends and community. Just take a look at the comments to see how much people love our videos. Don't miss out on future content, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in the loop. Income Nomad is one of the few YouTube channels where you can find proven trading strategies and tutorials all for free. For example, you might receive a sell signal when the Bollinger Bands are tight, then the price drops into the lower band, triggering a buy watch signal. However, if there's a brief fake pump up afterward and the indicator issues a buy signal, it might result in a dramatic drop. The wait period can help ensure the sell signal remains in effect longer before a new buy signal is considered, blocking any premature buy signals. This indicator also uses complex logic to handle trades once a buy or sell signal is triggered, entering a bought or sold state accordingly. If the force alternating signals option is turned off, multiple buy or sell signals can be issued during these states. There's also an option to color the background green during a bought state or red during a sold state, though I recommend hiding these backgrounds as a matter of personal preference. Now, let's delve into the specific conditions for opening long and short trades. But before that, welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now, starting with long trades, the first condition is for the hybrid EMA algo learner line to cross below the 15 level, indicating an oversold market bias. The second condition is to receive a buy signal from the ultimate buy and sell indicator with the EMA reading remaining below 15 at the time of the signal. In this scenario, the stop loss should be placed below the lower Bollinger Band. You can set a fixed profit target, and when you receive a minor sell alert, consider closing a portion of your position and moving the stop loss to break even. Remember, this is just an example of a trading strategy. You can modify the rules depending on the markets and timeframes you trade. The strategy also works effectively for short positions. For short trades, the rules are as follows. First, the hybrid EMA algo learner should cross above the 85 level, signaling an overbought market. Second, the ultimate buy and sell indicator should produce a sell alert with the EMA reading remaining above 85 at the time of the signal. If these two conditions are met, you can confidently enter a short position. Place the stop loss above the upper Bollinger Band and set a fixed profit target, aiming for at least twice the risk. Close part of the position once you receive a sell alert. As you'll see, the algorithm rarely results in losing trades. This simple yet effective strategy can easily be automated into a profitable trading bot. In previous videos, I've detailed the exact process of creating such a bot step by step. If creating your own trading bot seems too complex, don't worry, just check the recommended videos out and you'll find it as walking in the park.